Captain's baby.
I'm not going to lie to you tonight, as I did last night. So I hope you'll believe me and trust me. So it's all right. So what we are going to do?
All amazed. So you want to ask something? Oh, okay. So you see, we've got vegetables here, right? I'm sure you have all noticed how they are nice. Did you see the basket here? Yes. This one is made of grapefruit, right? And they're going to do the same from tomato. From tomato. Yes, leaving some shape as if something as if for the handle of the pocket. Yes, did you understand that? Pocket, right? Basket, yes, not bucket. Basket, right. So they're taking out the inside, so that
we make a flower.
How to make a flower, Elena will show later, right? What to put in. And it turns out to be like a rose, yes? And she puts in, you can take this lead, how do you call it? Leek, yes? Leek, yes. Just use your imagination. I would use, for example, like this salad leaves basket, right? So you can is a small olive, for example. You cut an olive, right? So use your imagination, and then you can do everything. Then we take, what do we take here? Leek. We take leek. I guess we're going to make this kind of flower. Yes. What they do? They make cuts. Yes. They make cuts, and they make it really very thin. You will see when. You make really very thin cuts in that. You see? And that, Elena will show it to you. Do now. Right. And ladies and gentlemen, and then look what she's doing. So you open it like that, but Elena suggests that you should put it into water. And then it will open better. And they should participate also. They should be very active, right? Sharpen our knives. So now we are taking a carrot and we're going to make. Yes. So what do you have to do? You have to make this carrot pointed. Yes. This is what Nancy showed it to the. Yes. You see, she made it pointed. Same with the cucumber. Then you cut into thin slices, but not till the end. Not till the very end. Leaving. Yes, leaving it still. Not cut to the end. Very carefully, you should. My mother. She had to beg my father, you have to make the knives sharp, otherwise I will not cook for you. You should make this ultimatum too. And that is very important. You see, how can you do this? And then you simply, as the other part of cucumber is pointed to, which is out easily, right? Because it was all as if done to the very end of this part of the cucumber. You see, and just simply, and with the carrot. Now, you see, Nancy just didn't do it to go far enough. Yes, but if you go far enough, then you just simply put out the rest part of the carrot, thus leaving this lily. Very carefully. You see? You see? You just have to get your like triangles, you know, like pointed probably, as you wish, right? Yes, but you know, somebody else, ladies. Okay, ma'am, over there, please, you're welcome. You see, try it. You have to get your hand yes, practiced into it. Of course, it will take some time. I guess Elena has been doing that for quite a long time now, right? So,
Мы будем делать вот так. Я буду из лука.
Tylin will do it out of lemon.
В принципе, то же самое.
But the procedure is deep cuts into the onion in the shape of triangles, like that. Yes, two cuts like that. Very deep, till the very middle. Yes, very deep into the onion, very deep into the lemon. And thus all the way around. Yes? So you have to make deep cuts into it. See?
More.
Zigzag,
Oh,
zigzag, right,
continue.
very good. Yes, you make zigzag like this,
I think I got it.
but be careful, of course. Elena, yes, then you open it, right? When you cut, yes, you see? Wonderful, good job.
У меня лук, вот тут несколько, то есть я могу вытащить и вот так вот.
And you see, Elena has onion, right? They are, you see? And she can make them, rearrange them a bit, arrange them and make it like really, really fancy, yes? Take a look. So you have to practice with lemon, I guess. They will be both tears of happiness. So when I look at that, I understand, how easy. And though I will try to do probably.
У меня больше ничего нет.
Different sorts of knives. This kind of knife, for example, helps her
Кругленькую куда-нибудь.
helps her to take the core from the apple. And you see, she took.
До конца. Потоньше.
You have to make very thin slices. Yes, till the very end, ma'am. Yes, yes, thin slices. Slice the tomato.
Потоньше.
But they should be thin, very, very thin. Try to make it really thinner. They should be.
Вот так и закручивать. Поэтому, когда тонко нарезаешь, она лучше закручивает.
So you see, you make to roll them into shape of a rose. You understand? Yes, look carefully.
Надо тоньше, фингер.
Is it clear how she did that? Yes? So it did this, right? But it was like fried a bit. Yes? So we're going to do that kind of petals, leaves, whatever, out of zucchini.
Потому что мы листочек будем вырезать потолще.
Thick slices. Yes? Thick, because they are not thin, you see? Otherwise they're going to be only this cover, right? Skin of it, only skin. So therefore the knife we shall make a form of a leaf. That's easy, right? Yes, this kind of oval. Yes, we can do them like that. This is only for decoration purposes. I wouldn't cook that. No, you know it would be like. Also, something on the skin you can do. Yes. Look, can you see it?
Первый раз, потом получше.
You will get this. Yes, some bug, a beetle, or whatever, but looks rather edible, I would say. Okay, parts all the way through, leaving some space there. Yes, leaving like a stem, sort of a stem, and then you make them very thin. Yes. You see, like, you see, you make like. Yes, very thin, not till the very end, and then like.
А теперь закручиваем.
And then you have
Через одну.
in one you fold it. You've got several thin like threads, right? In one you fold it like that. One is straight, one is folded, one is that, one is folded. to do it? Yes? Clear? Yes? Yes? In one. You do one is left, one is roll the folder, yes, whatever. And then you can again put small pieces of olives. Yes? Olives. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
А можно все вот так закрутить? Можно так?
Okay, therefore, yes. Yes, you can fold them all and make like a special knife though.
That's simple.
Yes, with this kind of
All the way
knife.
around?
And you make this very, yes, really skillful doing that.
Может, уж куда-нибудь.
This is actually, we do not actually need those. I'm going to slice lemon. Как режем?
Вот так вот просто. Мы кораблем будем делать.
We're going to make a ship.
Ножки наворачиваем. Первый раз, наверное.
Jim, is it the first time with you? Or...
Наш корабль.
This is a ship.
That's a ship.
That's a ship, yes.
Не так.
Uh,
Давайте я сама.
petals. Yelena will show to you. And make leaf, like real leaf, to put, for example, into this basket. You cut shape of a leaf, yes? This one that we have is very thick, Yelena says, therefore it like cuts, you know.
Вот так делаем.
And then you simply
И они так.
And then you simply make cuts, not till the very end once again, right? They should be like thin, rather thin. And then, is it a leek? Leaves of the leek. Yes, and it's like that. Then you can put it into the water, and then it will be like, you know, it will open, it will become